In this video, we will look at how to use multiple functions in a single cell. This is a student score table, and we will use a formula to show the total marks, average mark, lowest mark, and highest mark simply by changing the drop-down here. This list provides the data for this drop-down, and I've tagged the numbers for easy reference. Let's use a VLOOKUP function to bring those numbers. So we have number 4 here, and if you change the drop-down, the numbers will change according to the VLOOKUP results. Okay, let's perform a VLOOKUP to retrieve the data for the student. We'll need all of the numbers, so we'll use an array function. If you notice, this is an spill function. We don't need all of the marks separately, so let's use the sum function. However, this should change depending on the selection made here. Okay, now let's copy this formula. And let's introduce the choose function, which will have an index value of C10. For the first option, let's use sum function since we need the total marks. We will use average function for option 2. We will use min function to get the lowest mark. Finally, we will use max function to get the highest mark. Now, the average mark for James appears. Let's change the student name from James to William and then to Benjamin. This is dynamic that you can change student name and the drop down to get the results. Right-click on this cell and then choose Format Cells. Use a semicolon 3 times and click OK. Hope this video was helpful. For any questions, please comment.